Hello everyone, in this video let us see how to add city, country and state. For that you should visit delhimax.app/admin website and enter the valid credentials to log into the site. After login to the site you can see the admin dashboard. Here click on the city management segment. Under that click on the country list option. Here you can see all the list of countries that have been created previously. To add a new country, click the Add Country button and enter the country name, currency code, country code, currency symbol and click the Save button. Now, the country will be added to the country list. You can set a particular country's default by clicking on the Make Default option. Please note that if you make a country default, then that particular country's code and currency will be displayed on all platforms. You can also edit the country by clicking on the Edit icon and edit the fields if required and then click Save button. After adding a country list, click on the State List option where you can see all the list of states that has been created previously. If you want to add a new state, then click on the Add State button and then enter the state name. Select country and then click the Save button so that the state can be added to the state list. To add a city, click on the Add City option. Here enter the city name. Select the country. Status. State. And then by using this draw shape icon you can draw a boundary around that particular city. You can also add multiple boundaries. If a user selects this city, the store within this boundary that only visible to the end user, and you can assign the driver only if the driver who is available within this particular boundary. Then clicks the Save button. Now, the city will be added to the city list. Here you can activate or inactivate the city according to the needs. You can also add an area for a particular city by clicking on the Add Area button. Here enter the area name. Then select the status and click Save button so that the area will be added to the city. If you want to edit the area, then click on the Edit icon and make the changes and then click Save button. That is how country, state, and city can be added. Thanks for watching and I hope this video was useful. See you on the next video.